bom veio. I like this marker.
Yeah.
And then Kabiri. Navy Bay. Right? Yo. Daderinho. Dariharuga. Actually,
Sehr difícil. Sério.
Anybody remember this? Okay. Ida Binha, Ronnie.
How are you? Ida Binha.
Okay. And Bonaba. Respond.
Okay. Ida Binha.
Ida Binha.
Rua de Gete.
Yeah. What the gap here?
Águia Buguia.
Águia Buguia. What the gap again, right?
Yes. Rua de Gete.
What the gap again? It's the formal salutation of everything. Onaba. Is to respond, right? Alagdaha. To ask.
To ask.
Okay? I'm going to be using this word. Onababa.
Allah.
Onaba. And then if I say Onababa, means you respond, right? Onababa. Alagdaha. Alagdahaba. Ask the question, right? Okay. Nonaba. I'm going to answer. Nalagdaha. I'm going to ask. Okay? So, Guiti Bina Finishel?
Waiting by after.
Ida Bina Anigi?
What did he get?
What you got? Kabiri, bro?
Ronnie Figueroa and Neri Bay.
De Haruga, De Arinho, De Lendi. This means De Arinho, see you later. See you later. De Haruga, see you tomorrow. And De Lendi until Monday.
There, see you later.
Arinho. Arinho is later.
See you later.
Haruga is tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And then Lendi is Monday.
Monday.
Iri. Iri is name. So when you ask Kabiri, it's what is your name?
Your name.
When you say Kaniri, my name, right? Biri, Liri, Tiri, right? Her name, and so on. You just change the prefix.
What was the meaning of the word Busien?
Busien.
Busien. It came about because.
Busien tina is I want.
And then you said
Busien is to want.
Busien. Busien.
Busien.
Okay.
Yeah. And then busien tina.
To want. Yes.
I want.
See.
Can I erase this? Can you see from here? I'll come closer. Okay. And then we also learn yeah. Okay. This is do you understand? Right? It coming from Gufuranda. Gufuranda is understand. Understanding. So when you see Gufuranda Tibu, do you understand? And if you say Gufuranda Tina, do I understand? Right? It's the same word.
Would it also be I understand? Or is it the question? Gufuranda Tina?
Gufuranda Tina.
Is it, do I understand, or is it also I understand?
I understand.
It's-
Gufuranda Tina.
Okay.
Gufuranda Tibu, that do you understand?
Gufuranda
So if he asks the question, Gufuranda Tibu, okay? Or Gufuranda T, Gufuranda T, do you all understand? Gufuranda T, right?
What the Gufuranda na? I don't understand.
Uti.
You have it up there. Yeah. What the
Oh,
Gufuranda
okay.
na?
Uti Gufuranda na. Yeah, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Yeah, this one is actually Uti.
What?
Uti Gufuranda na. Write this down, please put it as a big on your note, because on your notebook, maybe in the front, because we're gonna be using this in the second class next week, from now on. Yeah. Gufuranda Tibo. Or Gufuranda T. Ino. Uti Gufuranda na. I don't understand. Yeah? So repeat please. Uti Gufuranda na.
What the Gufuranda na?
Uti Gufuranda na.
What the Gufuranda na?
Uti Gufuranda na.
What the Gufuranda na?
Okay, I don't understand. Okay. Or Gufuranda Tina. Gufuranda Tina. Gufuranda Tina.
Gufuranda tina.
I understand. Yeah. Gufuranda tina. We use word like sereme. Thank you. Oh, thanks. Okay. Sereme means thanks.
Italinya, la lingua di Juan. I don't understand now.
That's a good one.
But
La lingua no, cut it,
Italinya, la lingua di Juan.
cut it.
What does that mean?
Oh wow.
It was-
Italian la lingua no, how do
yeah,
you
you
say?
wrote it there, but
Oh,
the definition.
Italian la lingua no.
Yeah, that's a heavy word.
How do you say?
Italinya,
Yeah.
la lingua di Juan. How do you say okay?
Oh.
You're gonna need that, right? Yeah.
We're gonna use that a lot.
And then another word we're gonna be using here is kalilabe.
I
What's
can't
the
put it
meaning?
in,
Yeah. We're gonna use this, right?
Kalila.
Kalilabe.
Oh, how do you say? What do you?
What's the meaning?
What's the meaning? Yes, we need that.
Right?
Kalila be.
If we start using this in Garifuna, we're already speaking Garifuna.
Mhm.
Okay? Instead of asking it in English,
Yeah.
we want to learn how to ask these questions in Garifuna. Yeah. Gufranda tibu,
Franda tipo.
uati gufranda na.
What is
Gufranda?
Aye, gufranda tina.
Aye, gufranda tina.
Yeah. Whatever you're learning in Mr. Palacios' class or in my class, you can combine all that. Like the word aye or ino. Ino, uati gufranda na. Right? O ayi, o aye, gufranda tina. Okay? O kalilabe. If you say that, you don't have to say the rest. Kalilabe. What is the meaning? Right? Then I'm gonna have to rephrase and go over. O kalilabe kate. Then you can go ahead and introduce English, right? But at least ask in Garifuna.
Okay.
We're gonna ask it to do that. Yeah. Okay. Sereme, thanks. And Lonabase is the answer, right? Uati. Ronnie?
Uati.
Hindi ba yan? Sereme, uati.
Say thank you. Uati nika.
No, uti megi.
Maggie.
Aniki?
Maggie, my own girl.
Kage megi be? Uati megiti. Right?
Oh, okay.
You're welcome.
Uati Maggie.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what we use to answer you're welcome. And then,
Uati Maggie.
uati megiti. Or you can say uati megiti luagu. Okay, this is optional.
Uati Maggie.
And then also ferudo. Pardon.
Thank you. Uati. You're welcome.
And then Arianga is to speak. No, Arianga is to say. Arianga tipo garifuna. Arianga tipo garifuna. And the answer is aye. Arianga tina garifuna. Aye. Arianga tina garifuna. O ino Marianga tina. That was in the class this morning, right?
No.
Okay, we just use this particular verb. Yeah. Arienga tipo garifuna, you can say murusu. Murusu, very little. Littlest with one T or double T?
Two.
Two T. Thank you. Okay, Idalia, Larion Gunwa. We're gonna put that here. Say Lidan Garifuna. Okay? When you have a question and you need to know a certain word or phrase or sentence, you can ask. Idalia Lario Gunwa, I'm hungry. Lidan Garifuna. Okay? Idalia Lario Gunwa chair. Lidan Garifuna means Idalia Lario Gunwa, how do you say, right? How do you say chair in Garifuna? Okay? So, Idalia Lario Gunwa, dabula, table, Lidan Garifuna. And then we're gonna come and say, oh, chair, halal. Table, dabula. So any question you may have, something you need to know, please try to ask in Garifuna. Okay? So let's all ask the question. Idalia Lario Guniwa, chair, Lida Garifuna. Okay? Idalia Lario Guniwa, paper, Lida Garifuna. Okay? Idalia Lario Gunwa, house, Lida Garifuna. Okay? So then you can learn, we can answer to you, house,
Muna.
yeah.
Paper is Garada.
Garada. Paper is Garada. Letter is also Garada.
In book?
Book is Garudia.
Oh, not Garada.
No.
Garudia.
Yeah. Garudia with
Oh,
right? With Gaguti.
Garudia.
Okay. So did you write this?
Yeah, I wrote that.
Okay. Idalia Biri, Lidan Garifuna. How do you say your name in Garifuna? Right? Idalia Laria Gunwa Biri. I mean your name Lidan Garifuna. Idalia Laria Gunwa, my name Lidan Garifuna. Anything you want to ask, try to ask in Garifuna. And please ask, okay? Because we want to make sure that you're learning how to say this basic functions, basic words. Well, we practiced, we went over this in the first class. And then, Ariye Gayabe. Ariye Gayabe. Okay, when you say Ariye Gayabe, say it. Right? And then when you say Ariye Gayabe, say it again. See, this makes a difference. Ariega and Ariega ya. Okay? Ariega bay and Ariega ya bay. Remember what Ariega means, right? Ariega means to say. Ariega is the verb, it means to say. So Ariega bay means say it.
Say it. Bay.
Ariega ya bay, say it again. Kabiri?
Ronnie Figueroa Nearby.
Oh, Arianga Bay?
Ronnie Figueroa.
Okay. Say it again, right? Or repeat it? Yeah, Arianga Bay. Any questions?
In my notes, I have something and I didn't translate. It said Idalia Boring.
Bariengo.
What does that mean?
Italia, Lariengo Niwa. Oh, Italia Bariengo.
Yeah.
How do you say?
Oh, so you're asking.
Yeah. This is how to say in the space in blank in Garifuna. And then how do you say? That's what you have. Italia Bariengo, right?
And then another one is Idalia Lefruch.
Or Leferecho.
Yeah, what's that?
Okay. How do you spell?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you spell? Leferecho.
Where's that? Was it in the board?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Before, in another class.
Oh, the spell out.
All right. Italia la di un name lida Garifuna.
Biri.
Iri. Serebe. Wow, that is good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We also learned to say, to ask where something or someone is located, right? Again. Again. And then when we like something, insientinu.
Thank you. Ceremony.
Sereme abuti.
Dari semua.
Insientibu. Insientinu. Insientibu. Right? Insientilu. Insientilu. This one comes from Isiani. Isiani is love. Or like. Insientinu, I like it. Okay? And then, you know, boys, you like it. And he likes it.
I have a question. Ida Linya Laring Guniwa, I love you, Vidang Garifun.
Insientibu no.
I try.
Let's try that on your girlfriend.
Yeah. Insientibu no. Put an M there. Insientibu no. Yeah.
So you have the two.
Okay. Sereme niapo. Sereme. Yeah. That was a good one, right?
Yeah, that was good.
What's your name again, David?
David, yeah.
Monzón.
¿Hablas español?
Sí.
¿Ah, sí? ¿De dónde eres?
De Guatemala. Yo nací aquí, pero siempre me
Ya
considero.
viene la raza,
Fíjese.
Así son mis hijos también, son de allá, dicen, y nacieron acá algunos.
¿De Guatemala?
Honduras.
Honduras.
Sí. Del pueblo más bello de América. Ok. Me senti no Me senti no I don't like it. Me senti no Me senti no. And we also learn Luma or Tuma with her, with him, with her. Luma is with him. Tuma is with her. Very important. Okay. Okay. Something is very important here. This prefix, we're gonna use that a lot. This one. You see it here. Hisientibu means you. If I say hisientina means I. If I say hisientu means her. Okay? See here, nu, boom, nu. Nu is to me. Boom is to you. Lu to him. Confusing? Okay. Wait, is un cate.
Wait.
The word like telephone, right? We say lámpara. lambara. To say your phone, you say bilambara. My phone, nilambara. Lambara. But then you have to add an N here. Lambara, nilambara. Nilambara.